ever been outdoors on a time where a tree falls on your leg? Yes, it is very horrible for a person to go through. Because you're probably going to lay there for the rest of your life and die. Now, let's see. Okay. Soup tastes good. And, Power to attacking the universe from